Hello students, let's come to the third example, the case of Mexico. Now Mexico is a country which became free in 1930 and till 2000 every election was won by Institutional Revolutionary Party of Mexico. In short it is known as PRI. It means from 1930 to 2000, 70 years. For 70 years, a single party kept on winning the elections. Although elections are still held after every 6 years, and even then they were held after every 6 years, but only one party was winning the elections. क्या आपको लगता है कि उस पार्टी में सब इतने अच्छे होंगे जो उनके मेंबर्स हैं, दे विल बी डूइंग सो वेल कि 70 ईयर्स तक उनको कोई हरा नहीं सका या लोग उनसे इतने खुश थे? ऐसा नहीं होता. ऐसा क्यों होता रहा कि दे केप्ट ऑन विनिंग द इलेक्शंस? बिकॉज दिस पार्टी PRI, इंस्टीट्यूशनल रेवोल्यूशनरी पार्टी, it used dirty tricks to win the elections and spent large sums of money for doing this. Now, dirty tricks here involves many things like maybe bribing people or when the venues were set for polling. So at the last moment, they used to change the venue. Sometimes people did not know where to go. So like this, they used to waste the votes of the people. Many other dirty tricks. So they used large sums of money for campaigning for their candidates so that the other parties could not win. So as a result, no other party could win the elections for 70 years. So now here also you see elections were held after every 6 years, but still seeing all these conditions, can you call it a democratic election? Because the elections are not fair. These were not fair. Democracy is a country where elections are must, but elections should be fair. The government is formed by those people who are chosen by elected by the people in a fair manner. Democracy is a form of government in which even the ruling party can lose the elections. It has a fair chance of losing the elections, where parties come and they go very frequently. But if this does not happen, it means the elections are not fair. People are not getting enough choice to choose the representatives. So here also this point is proved that every country where elections are held may not be a democracy. Likewise, in Myanmar, there are army rulers. They are not elected by people. Such form of government is known as dictatorship. ठीक है, military rule है. And in monarchies like Nepal and Saudi Arabia, monarchy means where kings rule. Nepal and Saudi Arabia, they have kings and they are not elected by the people. They become kings because they are born in the royal family. So after father, his son becomes the ruler, or whomsoever the king appoints to become the next king, so he becomes the king. These type of countries are also are not known as democracies. Their rule is hereditary. They are not democracies because they are not elected by the people. They are hereditary rulers.